Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our latest vlog for today's video. All about movie marathon plus SM Caloocan ay bukas na last Friday. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko mag-like, shares, comments, and views. Aabuti na 500 subscribers. If supportin natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog 265, episode 265, entitled Movie Marathon plus SM Caloocan. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin, panoorin natin ang highlights. So, wala natin ay movies. Okay, dahil today ay May 19, tayo tapos sa Mother's Day. Eto, 3 movies na panood na yung mga celebrities ay ipinanap Year of the Pig. Let's start with Wedding Tayong Wedding, starring Tony Gonzaga, Soriano, Eugene Domingo, Sandro Maruga, and Wendell Ramos na storya ng mga gays. Yan. Bakla. Ito si Sandro Maruga ay gay. While si Tony Gonzaga ang leading lady ni Santos sa pelikula niya. Tapos pinakasan na ko, okay? Tapos, talaga, pinakasan na ko yung role ni Tony Gonzaga sa Wedding Tayong Wedding with Sandro. Our second movie, My Valentine Girl. Kala ko Valentine's Day pa. Yung pala May 19. Father's Day last week. Starring Richard Gutierrez, Gideon Warp, Eugene Domingo, Reed, Lapicol, and Solen Cruz. Story tungkol sa 3 anthology story. Yung may Invisible, meron ding love story, at meron ding end of the world story. Kaya, si Richard Gutierrez ko ay okay naman. Medyo taki-taki. Siyempre, nanggulo ng mundo. So, ending ay siyempre nakikis yung Ronnie Lee. And our final movie for movie marathon, which is ending ng ina mo na first time na panood in 2 days. May 16 sa 18ZN Kapamilya Channel, while May 17 naman sa GMA, starring Bossing Big Soto and Ayan Tanasaki with Ay Sigera, Oyo Soto, Micaela Ramirez, Marvin Agustin, Nicky Bantes, Carla Pino, and Alvin Artigan. Yung story on magical adventures at sa bayan ng Monticello Residency. Sa ending, napabuntis na si Ice na Kabisote. Kate Bates, nako. Yan, magiging ako na siya ng ending and ina sa ating movie. Kaya yan po ating review sa ating movie marathon. Thank you so much. Now para sa ating highlights on SM Caloocan.
Now with Angelique, Info Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, from me to Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check again, it's just Philippines, no one other. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107.
Okay, nagbukas na SM Caloocan last Friday, May 17 with the grand opening of SM with Reebok Cat, Shuffle, and tapos sana mapunta last Friday sa SM Caloocan para mag-meet ko ang Ray España cast member na si Trisha Biahe with Jerome Positive naglaro na po sa Perafin na Itbulaga last Friday na nanalo ng malaking papremyo at 3 winners of 5,000 sana para sa ating grand launch na isang yogurt ice cream. But thank you so much for making it. SM Caloocan open Monday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Also, meron din mall branches available. And coming soon, pong gadgets coming soon? Sana may McDo. Malaman natin yan soon sa ating SM City Caloocan at sa ating social media. Now, para sa ating yung Music Friday, baka man matapos. Friday, we have a new song from Billie Eilish, Chuck the Book Club, Top of Jomo, Sai Mafia, and Miley Cyrus, pati ang new Kate Osborne. Mapapanood sa ating social media account ng ating Spotify, iTunes, at YouTube Music sa streaming platforms. Streaming platforms. New Music Friday, makikita po yung new songs by other artists. Thank you so much! Yan po ating latest vlog for today's video. Bye! God bless!